Hi guys, welcome back to Upjada. In the previous one, we looked at how to use GraphQL request to fetch data from a GraphQL endpoint. So in that case, we actually installed GraphQL request and also GraphQL dependency. So are these necessary? Can we do away with those or use just the fetch function to get these? Actually, we can, and we'll see how to do it in this one. So I have a simple skeleton app running here, and I will go to the index here and we'll start right off with the context module script. We'll do something similar to what we did in the previous one. All right, so we'll have a load function here, and in this one we'll actually need fetch because we are going to use the native fetch here, and then we'll get the response from the fetch function. And if we are using await here, we'll need to make it an asynchronous function. Okay, so the URL, so we'll use the one we used last time, which is country. So let me go try it. I think I can use this. Okay, yeah, let me get this. I'll paste it here, and we'll have to get the JSON out of it, rest.json. And we see that we are not sending any query here. The way we do that is by making this a post request and also sending query in the body, right? So we'll do that. First thing is we'll have to make this into a post request, and then we'll also have headers where content type, I think this is how it is, I'm not quite sure, is application JSON. Right, now finally we'll pass the body as I'm guessing it's just the header. I'm not quite sure. Why is this saying? Okay, so I think I should do this. I'll just pass stringify, and here should be an object inside it, and then we should have the query as the normal query that we get here. I'll copy this. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, and do that. It's not doing the indentation. I will do it manually. This should be okay. All right. Let's see what we get in the data. We may need a return as well, without which it doesn't work. We'll return something. We'll not return anything. Let me just see what console log, what do we have in the data. So this should be it. This should start working. So let me refresh and inspect it. Okay, we got something. Yeah, we got data, and then yeah, so we may not need this, so we can destructure here itself using this. So that way what we get is we don't get the data, we get the countries directly here. Yeah, so this is what we wanted. So after this, it's very simple. You just pass that data here, and then if you want to receive it, you have to use a normal script. You have to do export let data, and last time we changed the title into countries, and then we retained the p tag. I think I'll just do that, and I'll have a each here, each data to countries. So I could have passed countries directly, I think, but anyway, as country, instead what we did was we destructured it into name and emoji, right? And then we'll end that, and here we'll have emoji first because we have to show the flag first there, and then name. Okay, so this should give us yeah, the countries and everything. And this will also be pre-rendered if you want to, like, if you're curious. This is all there. Why there's a p tag, and Oh yeah, this is fine. So yep, this is how you get data from a GraphQL endpoint without using any dependencies. So this might be useful now, but if your app gets complicated, you want more features, then it's a good idea to use a client like URQL. Maybe I will do a video on that in the next one. So yeah guys, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.